Hello everyone and welcome to the first show of Legacy of Tyrant, the turn-based tactics RPG game I am developing since a few months. In this video I would like to show the idea for this project and ask myself why I started it, what is my goal and how I see the game in the future. A good point to start is summer of 2018, when I got interested in table RPGs. Just after watching a few sessions on YouTube, I decided to create my own system. Yep, bold move, I know, but I enjoyed that a lot. When I realized the game mechanics could be slightly overcomplicated for person, I have made simple app, named Random Adventures Helper, to help me during sessions. Soon this app developed further into computer game idea. I was programming in Java before, creating simple games, desktop and web apps, which you can see on my other video, so I decided to use this language for my first attempt to make something bigger. Main reason why I started it is education and fun. Yes, I think it could be linked. That's why I decided to create everything from scratch. I am not using ready engine nor any ready how to make a game recipe. When I am developing it, I just go with small steps and just-in-time learning methods. So, what is my goal? The final goal is to create something fun to play. It's hard to say when I will reach that, cause target is rather subjective, but I see progress with each line of code. Each time I code something, I have short time goals like adding new method or fixing some bug. Those sum up to bigger and bigger goals, like implementing trees or visibility of characters. I have plenty of ideas to implement. In the next part I will describe them as my optimistic view of the game in the future. As I said, Legacy of Tyrant is turn-based tactics game with RPG elements. The most comparable title I've played is Jagged Alliance 2. My game will have medieval fantasy climate, but main gameplay will be similar. You will lead one of the few children of Death King to victory in the run for the empty throne. Starting with main hero and few companions, the army will grow into hundreds of soldiers, volunteers, mercenaries and allies. Gameplay is split into strategic and tactical level. On strategic level you will control general status of game. For example, group, recruit, train and move your forces on map of kingdom. Control economy by taxes, gold mines, army wages and more. Send scouts, spies and diplomats to get information about enemies and terrain, get allies and things like that. Tactical level is responsible for battles and NPC interactions. Battles range from few to dozens of units which fight, move, speak, cast spells, use combat skills, interact with objects and do a lot more. This is the part I started with and which you can see in this video. Tactical maps are randomly generated with different parameters like height, amplitude, intensity of terrains, grasses, woods, grounds, water and sands, density of natural objects like trees, bushes, rock, etc. and human-made objects like fire camps and wells, building density, sizes and interior equipment. And last but not least, roads, rivers and coasts. I have also an idea to make map view dependent on day, night and seasons. Battles are conducted in turn-based mode. Turns order is dependent from action points used for character actions and recovered during actions of other characters. Basically, the more you do, the longer you wait. I also plan to implement interruptions based on readiness and visibility. Turn system is connected with stamina as well. Fight system is based on damage and chance to hit calculated from attributes, items and extra factors. You can choose to hit body, head, arms or legs based on enemy armor and chances to hit each part. Hit can also cause various effects like slowing down, blinding, weapon drop, etc. I am going to implement aiming mechanic so you can spend extra action points for better accuracy. Character development system will apply to all characters, but will be controllable only for playable. There will be 9 attributes, 39 classes split into 3 main tiers, 4 races, innate traits, zodiac, etc. Each action will develop character attributes, so system will be similar to this in the Elder Scrolls series. I have prepared a set of special skills split into Battle, Passive and Adventure. To give you some names: Left Jab, That Was Close and Afflatus. Item system is based on Diablo 2, but with my own parameters. For now, images are from this great game, but I plan to change that. Character and equipment sprites are from Flare Game. This is open source 2D action RPG project licensed under the GPL 3. For now, about 60 weapons and 80 other items are implemented. There are 9 equipment parts character can wear: weapon, shield, helmet, armor, belt, gloves, boots, amulet and 2 rings. There is also place for spare weapon and shield for quick equip. Inventory is limited by item weights versus character strength. I plan to add magic items, item damage and repair, limits based on attributes, races and classes. Weapons are divided into melee, range and magic. For close combat you have swords, maces, axes, short and long weapons. For distance you can use bows, crossbows, throwing knives, axes and javelins. Wands, spears and staffs are supporting mages in their skills and are also their last resort. All that comes with different damages, attack speeds, ranges and magic properties. Shields give chance to block enemy hits and projectiles. Armors reduces damage gain from physical attacks for different body parts. Equipment parts have also additional effects. Helmets reduce eye range, gloves change accuracy, boots modify speed and stealth. Belts give slots for potions. Javelins, besides being decoration, are also worn as vectors of powerful magic. Spell system is split into 4 magic schools: light, dark, elements and changes. For each I have prepared 3 circles with up to 5 spells on each. Examples are Holy Ray, Ancient Spirit, Blizzard, Invisibility. Majority of spells are designed for battles, but some can help in strategy level as well. There are also more things I can bring to life from my table RPG game, like alchemy, physical or mental diseases, mobs, bad and good luck events and more. Well, I know, that's a lot. But as I said, this is optimistic maximum plan. What I will manage to do, we will see, but for sure there will be always something to add. For now, I have what you see: map generation, map sprites, character sprites with items, turn system, item system, attributes, object interactions, etc. It's hard to sum it all in one video, so if I will find it useful for anyone, I will prepare more videos focused on specific topics. I will really appreciate any comments and questions. Thank you.